with drain laying, you don't know what to expect. You can plan so much ahead, but then, oh, we're missing this fitting. So we are down on the corner of Wairakei Road and Aorangi Road, and we're in Christchurch City. My role, get all the underground services in before make the road nice and pretty. I did the 600 sewer main up Wairakei Road, and that involved with sheet piling, a 4 metre deep trench. Then we had to lay a 150 collector on top, so it was pretty much for wastewater for the Christchurch City Council. But the whole project is for a cycleway and road reconstruction. The water table here is about 2 metres down, so we're working in 4 metres deep, so we had a lot of water to move. So that was the first challenge, like getting all the sewer bypass in. So Condor pumps supplied us with the dewatering gear, all the hoses, the pumps. Like we couldn't get a 4-inch pump. Condor came to the service and they will have their one in the next house. So very good service from Condor. Highly recommended. Condor pumps are very, very good with quietness, fuel efficiency, and like quietness, you can't go wrong with them, eh? Condor supplied us a specially filtered silt trap, so it cleaned up the water very well, and they had it there as soon as possible. Or like on a Friday afternoon, it was always a Friday afternoon, we were doing the dewatering. We would ever have a hose or we had something missing. Condor would always come to the party and they would be there in the hour. They go more and above the service for what they've provided us, so I would highly recommend them.